floodlights. Traffic and transport round here, not the kindest, but regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here. There is a sense of theatre, and the decibel levels are rising. Such scenes here, a sea of team colours, songs ringing down from the stands. The tone is set for the 90 minutes ahead. The action has already started. Haaland. Hit into the middle, and he was alert to it. He's looking to set free a runner. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Great ball, and he's in. Messi! Goal! The breakthrough strike! Oh, delicious, such devilish curl.
You know, I'm not going to be hard on the goalkeeper because that moved all over the place on its journey.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Oh, that's a fine interception. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Now it's Eto'o. A great chance! And yes, it's there! And once more we are all square. You score, we score.
Yeah, since going a goal down, they've dug in to produce a really fine spell, which for me deserved that equaliser.
Complete awareness, he understood what was needed and he executed it smoothly.
Well, the finish looked a guarantee once he was found all alone, and it's criminal defending.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Well, there's resilience for you, Peter. As a side, they never lost focus despite the setback.
And the finish! It's loose now and they want to get it back. And he's there to belt it away. Oh, that's a key interception. Nicely weighted ball. And there's green grass ahead of him. Rummenigge might just make this. And it's Neymar. And that's been won straight back. There's a sharp little ball here. Cambiasso is sporting a guilty look after that.
Ah, he made it look a bit predictable.
And he's straight offside. Oh, he's felt that, hasn't he? Griezmann looking for the run. Oh, there's the clearance. Now it's Eto'o. Threads one in. Eto'o was alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. Neymar. Passing is crisp and sharp. There's the shot! Oh, it's come loose. He could be in here. And that'll be the last act of the first half. A pretty decent watch this, and each side has contributed in each...
I just hope the second half is as good as the first. It's been pulsating stuff.
That's a really interesting game, and they head in at half-time at 1-1. So we're already into the second period. Well timed, excellent interception. Just the goalkeeper's a bit. Tries a shot! He scored!
Well, it's hardly a great surprise to see him doing something thrilling, and it should send a strength and courage through every one of his teammates from here.
The lightness of step, the sharpness of movement, the certainty of finish.
I'm not making any apologies, but I was willing him to supply the finish, and he came up trumps.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
Yeah, for me, this team seems to find it easier to attack than defend, but now they're going to need to dig in at the back a bit.
There's some great running on show here, but ultimately there was no way through.
I'm struggling to work out whether that was brave or a bit stupid. Maybe both, actually.
The attendance for this match was 71,550.
Cambiasso. Oh, that's well spotted. Guardiola. And here's Eto'o. It's Eto'o! Loose ball now, and there's a chase on to retrieve it. Hakimi.
It's the sort of situation they'll want to capitalise on now.
Rummenigge. Eto'o. It's Guardiola. Great hit! Just not quite happening for him just now.
They're just lacking a cutting edge, Peter, and while that's fairly obvious, the rest of their attacking play is actually quite good.
Well seen, saw that coming. Looking for the runner. Now it's Haaland. Here, Haaland is on. He's got the shot away! Cleared away. Law is onto this.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please. Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Driving on and making good progress. Pass somewhat off target. Eto'o looks to get on the end of this.
Look, it's a run defence's dislike, but the timing has to be spot on.
Substitution on the field. Number 4. Number
So, time for
14.
changes on both sides, actually.
Number 8. Number 21. Joshua Kimmich. Number
And it's
9.
Griezmann.
Karl-Heinz Rummenigge.
Oh, good read.
Coming on the field.
Griezmann.
Number 2. Dayo Upamecano.
And they're quick to get it
Number
back.
22. Van Dijk.
There's the hit! It's in! And surely now, the result's beyond doubt. Lacking for neither time nor space, it could scarcely have been more straightforward.
Well, that defence is perplexed by the fact they've allowed him the space.
2 up and very little time left. Surely this is it.
Well, that's a really bitter blow. I think it's going to be very hard for them to find the character to respond from that.
No, that's been intercepted.
They'll want to make the most of this turnover.
And there goes the final whistle. They are pumped. Boy, they're pumped. A tough win.